Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use motion array templates in Premiere Pro. Before we start, we'd like to remind you that we have the link to Motion Array in the description for your easy access at the end of this video. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your Motion Array website, and of course you want to sign in, and then at the top bar you can see some options right here. Our interest is in video templates, so we're going to hover over it, and this is the drop down of different softwares. Our interest is in the Adobe Premiere Pro, so we're going to click on it. And what this does is it populates only the Adobe Premiere Pro templates. But here's one more thing we'd like to do. For this tutorial, we'll be using the free templates. We're going to click on it, and this provides just the free templates for you. So we're going to scroll down to see the range of options, and we'll be making our pick. So we'll be making this one here, our pick. We're going to hover over it and click on the download button right here. As you can see, it's already downloaded, and what we're going to do right now is to unzip this file. So as we've opened it in our file folder, we can see the zip file, and we're going to click on it and click on extract all. So after extracting it, we're going to click on open, click on it to open again. In some cases, you might still find the same file folder, so you're going to open it. You keep repeating this process till you find these 3 files, or sometimes just 2. You have the instructions, the font, and the Premiere Pro folder. Click on the Premiere Pro folder, and what you'll be looking for is a Premiere Pro project extension, and this is it right here. So we're going to double click on it in order to open it on Premiere Pro. So once you click on it and Premiere Pro is getting opened, you're going to find this. It's just a Converge project prompt. We're going to say OK and wait for it to load. So right here you can see the details of this file. You can see the edit, the final, and the assets. But right here in the timeline, this is where our interest will be. If you scroll through the timeline, you can see the different parts and the different tiles with this template. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to the first one or the second one, and this is title 2. All you need to do is to double click on it. Now, once you double click on it, it will open the file further. Now, from the looks of things, you can see that there are 2 titles right here. One that has Charles Donnelly and another at the bottom with the yellow background. So the Charles Donnelly is the title 1. We're going to click on it because it's a nested file. So right here in your timeline, as you clicked on it previously, it took us right here to the nested files. We're going to click on the title 1 nest again in order to open the nest. Now by opening the nest, you can see Charles Donnelly. And what we're going to do right here is to click on this file, double click on it. Now here on the right side panel, you can see where you can make some edits to it. We're just going to change the name so you can see the difference. So here we've just changed the name from Charles Donnelly to Matthew Kent. So we're going to click away and it has changed to Matthew Kent. So if we go a few steps back from the title 1 nest to the final sequence, you see Matthew Kent. So there you have Matthew Kent playing from the other name. So what are you going to do with the others? All you need to do is to select all of them and delete the ones you don't have a need for. So now we just have this title from that template ready for our use for our video. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to use motion array templates in Premiere Pro. Don't forget we have the link to Motion Array in the description down below for an easy access. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.